Hello, guys, and welcome back to our first ever video on Good Link Podcast. I am Darshan, joining with.
Hey guys, I'm Dhaval, and welcome to our first ever episode. And today we are going to talk about gaming. So let me ask Darshan. Darshan, what are your views on gaming?
So I think that to the current generation people like they are very into gaming, and everybody is like totally from 24/7 in their house playing and recording everything and putting it on YouTube. So I think that gaming has affected a lot of people's life, and it has changed a lot of people's life is what I think. And it is like it's most of the people, like it's anybody you ask, they all play games, they all are gamers, like they know. So that is what I think, that gaming is one of the most crucial and the most important thing that a small child or anyone from 18 years to above or below should have.
And according to me, I think gaming is not something that you should always do. I know most of the YouTubers do gaming for their profession. Like on YouTube, there are so many YouTubers who do gaming all full time. But according to me, children above 10 years should play games because they become addicted to it. They cannot leave their mobile phones then.
Yeah, that's true. Like addiction is one of the most, maybe both. It's also advantages and also disadvantages. But I don't know, man. Addiction is one of the most crucial thing. Like one should pay
Because-
attention, because if one just gets addicted to it, then he cannot leave that game for his whole life.
And the developers, when they create such kind of games, their main motive is to increase the players who play their game more, so they want us to be addictive more. Okay.
Yeah. And like games like PUBG and Call of Duty and all the other games, like even on not just on mobile, even on PS4s, like other electronic things, there are also games like they are so much trending and people are so into it. Like you just cannot think of like, yeah, this person is not going to do gaming or something. He's definitely going to do, because that's what is killing the internet, and everybody is totally into it.
There are so many people who don't even know anything about games. They don't know anything what are games.
Yeah,
But
maybe.
are they very useful to us?
What, gaming?
Yes.
In some way, but looking at
How?
mentally, like see, like as you know, in India, like for when the PUBG was actually at its tip, there was a few cases like for murder or something. Like come on, it can affect your mental health, but it also had advantages, like you can perform well by your talent, skills, and you can also impress a lot of crowd and a lot of people on social media. So yeah, I think that's what, because I myself also think that by showing your skills and talents and uploading it on YouTube or anywhere, you can show that you are good at it. But also it also has it all, drawbacks and disadvantages, which should
But-
also be kept in mind.
But some people are so much into it, like they say like अगर मुझे ये खेलने नहीं मिला तो मैं मेरी जान ले लूंगा to their parents,
Yeah,
and
that's right. Yeah.
that's not good. You
Yeah,
can
yeah.
invest your time somewhere else rather than playing these games every day.
See, now that's the reason of addiction. Like those people, मतलब उन लोग को पूरा टाइम मतलब खेलते रहेंगे ना, तो मतलब that's like they become totally addicted, and like they can do that. You can expect from them that yeah, they can go to that extent and they can like say that shit and all. But yeah, it is definitely one of the things that you should keep in mind while playing these games.
The first ever game which was invented, that pinball wala.
Yeah.
Arey, when I was in, I guess when I was in 7th or 6th standard, I used to play in that in my school. My
Yeah,
teachers used
I
to
as
say.
well. Yeah.
Our teachers like, चलो बेटा अभी एक्सेल बनाओ, एक्सेल बनाना सिखाएंगे हम लोग आज, and I was playing pinball.
Yeah, that's true. Even like Ludo and Subway Surfers, like all of those
Subway Surfers
things.
and Temple Run, oh my god.
But yeah, like a lot has changed in there. Like if you compare those games and from now, man.
But-
the technology as well, man.
But the coming generation right now,
Hmm.
like when I was a kid, I came in contact with mobile phones like when I was in 7th standard, I guess.
Hmm.
During that time, my dad gave me my first mobile phone, and I started playing Subway Surfers and Temple Run on that. And but now in these coming generations, they are in 3rd and 4th standard, and their parents are giving them phone.
Yeah,
Parents,
exactly.
and then they are playing Subway Surfers and Temple Run.
Yeah.
I know they are very close to technology, but even they can become addictive, and
Yeah, and
That's
it's
not
actually,
good.
yeah, it's actually very young. It's a very young age to give them a mobile phone that is so advanced that even they maybe not be able to understand it, but still it's a bit. I think it's a bit risky to give such small people so early a mobile phone or anything electronic gadget. So Dhaval,
Yes, sir.
what are the top five games, huh?
So now currently I only play few games with my brothers. Like हर weekends को हम सब साथ में खेलते हैं. We all play together. Okay.
Definitely.
So my I play Ludo King, Among Us, and then Brawl Stars and all those games. But when I was in 8th or when I was in 7th, I used to play this GTA, Counter Strike. I was so addicted to such kind of games, and even Clash of Clans and Clash Royale. Oh my god, those games.
Yeah, man.
Like 24 hours झम झम कौन सा निकलेगा ये कौन सा निकलेगा अटैक करना है I have to gain more trophies than my friends.
Yeah, the competition.
Competition, yeah, we whole squad used to play together.
Yeah, even in when I was like very young, like I like group games when all of my friends came together and we played a game like Mini Militia or like Subway Surfers as well. Like it was one of the my favorite games when I was young. And nowadays, of course, like it has advanced and also new games are coming. So of course you'll get addicted. Like I play Rocket League on PS4 and I like to play Call of Duty, also PUBG with my friends. Yeah, so yeah, it has changed quite a lot my interest in games.
Dude, who could believe those graphics are pretty amazing, dude.
Yeah, man.
You know, when I came there in Villeparla, we played that Last of Us.
Yeah.
I loved it, bro. I loved it. Those
Yeah,
graphics and Yes.
you just came to my house to play Last of Us, man. That was like you loved that game so much you wanted to complete it so badly.
and now this recently this game Cyberpunk 2077,
Cyberpunk.
bro, graphics are pretty amazing and it's sci-fi.
Yeah,
And all YouTubers are making gameplays on it because it's a very expensive game, so not everyone can afford it, you know.
Who's your favorite YouTuber?
In gaming or normal?
Anyone.
Dude, in gaming I rarely watch any. PewDiePie, dude. I really don't like his Minecraft series nowadays, dude. What?
Yeah,
was
he
that?
started again, right? He
God
first
knows,
left it in
man.
between and now he started again.
When I was young, I used to watch so many YouTubers. You know, Jelly, Kwebbelkop. Then
Yes.
there are so many gamers, dude.
Logo man.
Oh my God, Slogo Man, yes.
Like yeah, there are a lot of gaming YouTubers.
But
even in
even
India, a lot of gaming people like
Oh, yeah.
Mortal,
Scout.
Dynamo, and all.
And they don't only play PUBG. When PUBG is
Yeah,
recently
like when-
banned in India,
Yeah.
so they have started playing another games also like GTA, Cyberpunk 2077.
Yeah, Call of Duty as well.
Dude, but gaming market is huge, you know.
Yeah, man.
bro. Gaming.
Like
But-
anyone could become successful very quickly if they
Yes,
give
yes.
their whole time towards gaming. I think.
But according to me, this gaming scene in India is not that good, dude, because there is quantity over quality. I think that. What about you?
Yeah, I also think the same. Like, I was gonna ask you, what do you think about the future? Like, do you think gaming is still going to keep on leveling up, or do you
Dude.
think it will degrade in the future?
Dude,
Not only in India, but overall the whole
I
world.
तो think future में पता ही नहीं चलेगा असली जिंदगी क्या और गेम क्या है because dude
सच्ची में.
टेक्नोलॉजी पेस से जो बढ़ रही है ना
Hmm.
we are talking right now और कितने सारे inventions हो रहे हैं we don't even
Yeah.
realize that people are mad about technology and technology is going to evolve only. The main motive of a species is to evolve only, dude, and evolve and explore. That's it. We are talking about those graphics. You know, the first game was invented, I guess so, in 90s or somewhere. I think so.
Yeah. First ever colored TV was
Mhm.
also invented in 1970s something. Like, of course,
And
in
dude-
90s only.
It has been around 20 or 25 years and we are here. You have such kind of graphics, you know, like Last of Us 2. I really didn't like that story, dude. That
The
story
Last
was
of Us
so
2?
bad, dude. I saw gameplay, dude. That story was so bad.
Yeah. But I think like that, like the graphics has changed. Like even now, like we're talking as you said that a new game must be, someone must be inventing a very, very trending game which would come. Like we don't even know.
Mhm.
Like so many things are actually going on right now that we cannot even think about. And like I think that it might reach a peak in the future, and it might affect a lot of people. And as you said, yeah, we won't even know like असली जिंदगी क्या है और gaming की जिंदगी क्या है.
That's
Like
why,
people, like nowadays also like in normal days,
Dude.
man, in families, like I'm talking about my own experience. Like whenever I'm gaming, I accept like मैं कुछ काम ही नहीं करता हूँ मैं माँ बाप का. Like whenever I'm gaming,
Same.
man, my mind has totally like it's in another world. You can't imagine, bro. It's like completely competitive and all, like yeah, totally towards gaming 100%. Like somebody even tells me like give me a glass of water or something. मैं बोला नहीं नहीं बाद में मेरे को गेमिंग करने दो ऐसा करके. Like it's just it totally converts your mind towards a different world or something else which you're not even you are completely addicted towards it.
dude. But recently, even I have an experience, dude. Even I have experienced what you have experienced. You know that मम्मी डांटती है, ये कर वो कर, and you're playing game 24 hours. But recently, like in past few years, this invention of VR is really good. Virtual reality, dude. That to legit. You just wear one chashma and you go crazy, dude.
It's like you
You
enter
don't even-
another
हाँ.
world of gaming,
Yes,
which is
dude.
actually you feel it.
I have never experienced it, to be honest. I really want to.
Yeah, I also want to, like I've seen people experiencing it, and the way they react makes me want to experience it, because
Yeah.
it's like the way they react is actually like they are actually doing that. Like one video I watched, like one man was in a VR and he was roller coasting. And he was so
I've seen
scared,
it, I've
yeah,
seen
and he was so scared. So I was like, does that actually feel real? Like you're actually roller coasting? Like I do want to try that once, because I am scared of roller coasters. Like I am scared of heights, so maybe it would be a bit safe. I don't know. On VR, it might give me some confidence to maybe ride on it. So the next topic is social events in gaming. So I think like that gaming is not only advanced like in every home, like it has enabled all people in the world to go outside and meet other people, like who game as well, and become friends with them, and become uh acquaint who gain acquaintance with them, and they can do gaming like other places as well, like like Clash Royale. They also had one event, I don't remember, like there are a lot of social events which enable all the gamers to go outside and meet other gaming people as well. So
Dude.
what do you think?
Dude, recently, this event, I don't remember that game.
Which
You play on PS4 or Xbox. Oh, I know, Fortnite. So this dude,
Yeah,
they just, bro, they just organized this amazing event, and the cash prize was around 15 or 20 million, dude.
this is one of the advantage, like we
And
talked about.
all those crazy, all those YouTubers, famous YouTubers who play Fortnite or 24 hours, or they upload video about that, they all notify their audience, and their audience also come to watch their games. So the publicity is also stunning.
Like gaming also, like this is what we talked about before, like it advantage is like you can also like earn money by showing your talents and skills, but also
But dude, at the end of the day, let me ask Chal, what do you think? How they would earn their money? How they would earn revenue from gaming?
who like
Yeah.
the gamers, or
How would a game developer would earn money? Like, or Chal, if Samaj, you have made one game, okay?
yeah
You have uploaded it on Play Store or somewhere else, and all the people are downloading it and playing. Then how are you going to earn from that? You're giving it for free. You're not charging anything.
it may be the ads, in the
Yes.
games, the ads
Now, not all games, but some of the games
do have.
do add ads in their games, and some of them add this tool which is in-app purchase. Buy 800 gems for a real revenue, like $100 or $200,
Yeah.
and people legit buy it.
Yeah,
What
yeah.
damn addicted to it.
Like all YouTubers, like Clash
Dude,
Royale.
yes. I just recently watched this video where this guy spends around $10,000 on this gems or some kind of shit
Yeah.
like that in games.
Like you can expect where gaming can take you to the extents,
That's
gaming can, it can take
Yeah,
you to another
that's-
level
Mhm.
if you give your 100% to it, or else
Dude, the according to me, I think whenever you play a game and you give 100% to it, they are always going to add new things to it, dude, so you never get bored of it. You know, whenever you play a game and you
Yeah.
think you are bored from it and in 2 or 3 days they update the game and add some new features or some new uh, character to
Yeah,
it.
which may not be liked by
Yes.
some people, or maybe like you
Yes.
know, Fall
And
Guys.
Yes.
Like when it came, it was like it beaten all of the games. Like even Among Us, it was
Yes.
at the top.
Mhm.
Like now recently Among Us is at
But-
the top. But when
Yeah,
Fall
yeah.
Guys was there, like it broke the internet, man. Everybody was playing. Not even gamers were playing. Not only those who were gamers were also playing that, but everybody was playing it.
But let me tell you, Among Us overcharted Fall Guys only because of YouTubers, dude. Only PewDiePie, Cobbs, and they all started playing Among Us.
Yeah.
With that, all the audience got to know about this. All the audience got introduced with these games.
Yeah, but also we don't even know the downfall of Fall Guys. Like, of course, if people search like why did it decline, you can get results, but nobody actually knows, and nobody actually made a video why did it downgrade
Dude,
towards this extent. Fall Guys.
the main, according to me, I think it's not legitimate, but I think when Fall Guys was at its extent, all the YouTubers got to know about this game Among Us, and I guess PewDiePie uploaded the first video of Among Us, if I'm not wrong.
Yeah,
I don't
I
think so,
think
but
it was
PewDiePie
him.
uploaded, and by watching him, all other YouTubers started playing Among Us and started uploading content related to Among Us.
Yeah, like maybe I think the reason was Among Us was just more so interesting that people like maybe was bored or maybe forgot to record Fall Guys. Like they were totally into it the whole day and they were playing Among Us. Like they just forgot about Fall
Yes.
Guys and like stuff.
And even some
And,
YouTubers
like,
got famous through Among Us, like Cobbs
Husband and like
Toast.
this guy's Toast.
Yes.
Like yeah, a lot of famous YouTubers. And like we can also expect in the future, like no, I'm sure like Among Us is not the end game, you know, like everybody is going to play it. Like we can expect a lot of new games will come and that will overtake the internet. I think everybody will just keep on playing it and like like this is what technology is like. It's never ending. It's
But-
never going to stop. It's just going to
But
keep on.
how long are you going to play such games, dude? How long? You only tell me. How long? 15 years? 30 years?
Man, I don't know, man.
Dude, instead of playing all those games, you should invest your time in something else, no?
Something that could
Yes.
affect and maybe useful to the whole country
Yes.
or maybe
You
whole
should
world.
invest your time in something else.
But of course, if you are
Dude,
getting
rather
if
than-
you are getting profit from gaming, then why would
Mhm.
you just do it? Like, why would you not do it?
But dude, the main problem is the whole scene or the whole scene in YouTube gaming scene is saturated. It's saturated. It's overpopulated, dude. With all those gamers who all want to become famous.
Hmm.
But dude, the main reason why all of us watch these big YouTubers like PewDiePie and Cods is because of their personality, dude.
Yeah.
You're not
like,
watching because just for Among Us. You're watching because PewDiePie is playing Among Us now. You're watching because of his
that's a good
personality.
point, right? Yeah.
And now if you want to become successful tomorrow just by uploading gameplays and adding this song behind it, I'm faded.
Cringe.
Dude, there are so many YouTubers who do that, and I really hate that. And they make montage. You know montage?
Yeah, like-
even you used to make it. No, I know that. I know everything, dude. I know your channel,
We don't talk about that here.
dude. But
Yeah, at some point, yeah, we all used to make that. Like we were crazy about gaming that we thought at one point like yeah, I should just show it to other people, but yeah, we just used to suck at it. We didn't have any knowledge of anything and we just used to do any कुछ भी बकवास कर देते थे अपलोड.
वो तो पहले से ही था सबका, dude. But गेमिंग का बहुत स्कोप है, dude. गेमिंग का
Like
Now-
commenting to your own video. Subscribing from 5
Dude,
different
we all have did that.
Subscribing from
We
5
all did
different
that.
channels.
Dude, I relate to this so bad, dude.
Like of course we learn from our mistakes, okay?
Yeah.
We know from our past that we don't have to do that and of course we learn from our mistakes.
That's it, dude. अभी कितना गेमिंग में बात करेगा?
वही तो चलो मेरे को जाके खेलना है अभी गेमिंग दोस्तों के साथ.
Guys, let us know कि हम लोग नेक्स्ट वीडियो किस पे बनाए, कमेंट डाउन बिलो. और अगर तुम लोग को अच्छा लगा, do like, share and subscribe if you liked it. Don't,
And I
we are
know
not forcing you.
And I know a lot of you guys will be very young and
Yes.
who all are interested in gaming. So please be sure to give a positive response.
गेम खेलने से अच्छा गेम बनाना सीखो यार. कोड करना सीखो यार.
गेम बना के हम लोग को बोलो और हम लोग खेलते हैं तुम लोगों का
वही,
गेम.
और वो घटिया कोई भी नया लेके आते उस पे मत सीखो कोडिंग. अच्छे सीखो कोडिंग.
चलो guys, thank you.
Bye.